Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to delete uploaded videos on Poppo Live. The first step you have to take is to log into your Poppo Live account. Having done that, you can now click on the Me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click on your profile option. So right here on your profile, you're going to see an option called Moments. Click on it. So on this new screen, you're going to see the different videos you have uploaded so far on Poppo Live. You just have to select the particular video you wish to delete on your Poppo Live account by clicking on the three lines found at the top right corner of the video. Now you can select delete in order to delete this particular video. So automatically I have deleted this video from my Poppo Live app. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.